Today I'll be doing a video on what kind of My Konami jackpots you can get with your jackpot dollars over here. Is that little, in the background is my kids playing video games, but it's that little cat game in My Konami Slots. So there's one where you can just do 25, another one that's 100, another one that's 1,000, and one that's 10,000. Surprisingly, I got up to 10,000 because I was able to get a few billion coins to play with. No, I didn't buy most of those coins. Luckily, I just won them. So today, I'll be seeing what you get if you do 10,000 coins. I can only do it once because I don't have too many coins. I mean, too many dollars, whatever you call it. So I'm at 1,043,000, but let's see. It says 20 billion, up to 20 billion maybe. So let's see. Hopefully I get something big. Nope, it's the lowest one I could get. So just 500 million. Took me like a month to get this. No, a few months actually. So that's just 500 million. Let's go to the last one. This old Android phone is really slow. In the meantime, I can show you what a thousand points would get you with this. So maybe it'll be like a few 100 million, or I'm thinking like 20 million. I got 70 million. That's because I got the multiple coins one. Let's try it over here. You don't have to subscribe. This isn't any award-winning videos. I'm just curious how much you would get. So if I click on this, got 60 million last time, and so the lowest reward would probably be 40 million. Let's go back. Oh, battery is running low. And that's my little dog over there. Indoor dog. And so if you do the 100 coin one, the lowest is 3.5 million. 3.5 million. I'll do it a few times. Maybe I'll get lucky. 3.5 million. 3.5 million. It's really not letting me win anything cool. 4.5 million. That's it. So the lowest you can get for that, the biggest jackpot for 10,000 is 500 million. So if you decide to do this one over here, this cat, it's not letting me go in. Oh, there it is. So if you do this, gosh, so many ads. You could get probably up to 20 billion, but most likely you'll just get 500 million. Like I said, it took me a few months to get this. I play every day for a few minutes. And right now I have over a billion coins to play with right now. So, end of my story. Pretty boring, right? I really like playing slot machines. I do this instead of actually going to Vegas and spend quarters or dollars because this is free. And at the end of the day, I can see what I could get from the rewards. Yeah, right now this one's at 1,600,000, 700,000.